We didn't film an intro because we're lazy sometimes, but in this episode of Down South Off-Road and Outdoor, we're going to show you how to turn your Jeep into a fucking rave. So I just wanted to show you the speakers that we actually had installed in the Jeep. They're the DS18 Hydro series. We wanted Hydro series because they are marine grade, waterproof, and Kim likes to be topless a lot. But they look super cool mounted in here. They don't take up a whole lot of space. If you don't want them faced towards the back, you can also turn it and face them towards the front. There's room to actually add another set down below it. I don't think we're gonna do that because remember, we have to sleep back here. So that's what the rear pods look like. I'll step up front and show you the 8-inch speakers that we had put in the sound bar. So the sound bar typically holds 6, but we had these NXL 8 BKs RGBs put in those places. So I'm bent all sideways so that I can show you what those look like in the sound bar. Again, the sound bar was made for 6-inch speakers, so you can kind of see where we've just got some foam stuffed in the original holes there. But these things look great. I can't wait till you see them when they're on. They sound really good for mids and highs. If you're wanting bass, definitely cross over these so that they don't get a lot of bass and use a different sub to bring your bass in. But these things sound great for mids and highs for sure. And Kim loves the RGB LEDs. All right, guys, we got Bella back, and I don't know if you see the smile on Kim's face, but she is pretty damn ecstatic with what was done today. So there's her S-Pod looking all pretty. Of course, you see the empty spot for the G screen later, but flip one of those buttons, baby. And what's cool about the S-Pod is if you don't like those red lights being on, flip that switch off, and then there we go. You can turn those off. But here's the big stuff. This is what she's the most excited about. So the Jeep comes with 6-inch speakers in the soundbar. And so now she has these waterproof 8-inch speakers. And so it's basically like a rave here. I feel like we need to be popping some Molly or something, guys. And so then here's her pods in the back. YouTube's probably gonna mute us. But so as you can see, the back of these pods light up, but it's not just the back. So she's got the speakers. Let's open this thing up. You can see I look homeless, guys. So here's what we actually have installed today, the DS18 Hydros. But look at these little cute pods, guys. So, and did you say it dances to the music too? So she has an RGB controller where she can change the colors or keep it on a solid color. But yeah, so it basically is gonna look at Beach Week or Pigeon Forge. It's gonna be a little rave in Bella from now on. That's the most I've seen her smile about any modification she's ever had. So this was a win.
First thing we bought.
Yeah, we bought these way back in July at the Maggie Valley, April, at the Maggie Valley Jeep thing. I think the WNC Jeepers did that, right? So these were our first Jeep purchases and we're just now getting them hooked up. So I'm just hoping that it doesn't interfere with our sleeping situation, but we'll see.
I make the girls wanna moan. My jeans tight and I know I'm looking right. Got so many
So guys, you can't see her face, but it's over there and it's smiling. So these speakers are pretty bright back there. So you can't really see. But yeah, it's like the Jeep is a rave back there. Oh, and now they strobe. So we've got the pod. You can see the pod back there, and then the speaker up here. And she's just playing with colors now. All right. So I think overall, she's extremely happy with the DS18 Hydros with the RGB controller. So now let's see if we get pulled over going down the highway. There you go. That's much better. You can see him much better now, babe. So you can see the speaker right there, and then the pod that's in the very back right there. Pretty awesome. Thanks for watching this episode, guys. We really didn't plan on filming it, but these speakers were just so fun. We thought we kind of had to. So if you're looking for something with a lot of bass, this is not the speaker for you. These are going to be good for mids and highs. You'll need to go a different direction for your subs. But overall, in the summer with the tops and doors off of your Jeep, these things are going to be a blast. Thanks for watching. And don't forget, subscribe, like, ring the bell, all that fun shit. See you guys.